Take out page number 170, students. Good morning, everyone.
Good
170
evening.
page
Good morning,
number
ma'am.
170. Good morning. Page number 170. I'm going to present my screen and show you. This chapter is about the multiply and divide concept. We are going to learn two concepts in this chapter. 170. Okay, understood. Aryaman, you can leave and join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Mani Ratnam, the cashier. Mani Ratnam is the cashier of King Jayan. His job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. This chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. See children, when you apply the concept of multiplication, can anyone tell me, raise your virtual hand and tell me, or the students, those who are sitting here in the class, can raise their hand and tell me why we need to do the multiplication, where is the application of multiplication happens. Yes, Ayush. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. See, multiplication, yes, please close the door. Online students, you all know that multiplication is a repeated addition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Online
ma'am.
students, whenever I ask something, please respond. Don't sit simply. Give me answers. You all know that multiplication is a repeated addition.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose you went to the market, cost of one pen
Yes,
is 10
ma'am.
rupees. Cost of one pen is 10 rupees. Ruses Jajaria, please come back to your place. Yes, turn on your camera. Cost of one pen is 10 rupees. Just a minute. Cost of one pen is 10 rupees. What will be the cost of two pens? What you will do in this
Ma'am,
case?
20 rupees.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes, Priya?
cost of two pens will be 20 rupees.
So what you have done in this case?
I have
Multiplication.
multiplied 10 into 2.
You have 10 multiplied by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I do 10 plus 10, that also right? One pen cost is 10.
Yes, ma'am.
It costs 20 because 10 plus 10 is 2. But
Ma'am,
instead
so
of
we
going
don't
with
need
the
to repeat the 10 if we do the multiplication. We don't need to repeat the 10.
okay, here if the numbers are small, okay, and the quantity is also less, then it is easy to add also and find out the answer. But if the numbers are big, right? Suppose 1 month salary is 20,000. What will be the salary of a year? So to adding them 20,000 12 times, because in a year there are 12 months. Jandala said properly. There is no need of like this. Sit straight. So if you know this, don't look at them, my dear students. Please listen at the concept. If the salary is of 1 month is given 20,000 and you need to find for 12 months, 1 year salary, if you add the 20,000 12 times, it will take time. to add and find the answer because it's a big amount. And if you directly multiply 20,000 with the 12, will be easy for you to do the calculations? Yes or no? दूसरा जजरिया, mute your mic, please. So that is the reason we do multiplication, and there are several methods of multiplication like column method, split method, which we have learned in the grade 4 also, and the simple method also, which is given in your textbook, Vela's method. So first we will do the split method where you need to split the numbers, or it is called the column method of multiplication, and it is called the expanded form of multiplication where you need to expand the numbers. Like for example, it is given in your textbook, Mani Ratna wanted to calculate the salary of the cook for the 1 month. So cook one salary is 65. And in January, how many days are there? 30. 31. Suppose you know, yes. So what he will do, he will multiply 65 with the 31. But he is not doing the same traditional method of multiplication. He is doing with the split method of multiplication. So what he did, he splitted the number 60 plus 5 is 65 and 30 plus 1 is 31. Then first, please see into your textbooks, everyone. This is the method which I will show you also in your textbook. See, 60 and 5, 65, here 31. So first he multiplied 30 with the 60 is the 1800 and 30 with the 5 is 150. Then he multiplied 1 with the 60 is 60 and 5 with the 1 is 5. Now whatever he has calculated in the 4 different blocks, he will add and then the answer will come of the salary of 1 month. Any doubt to any child till here? Twisha, I think your face is showing me that you have a doubt. I will show you one more question based on this method. If I remember, grade 4 how to expand numbers. You all can see one more question on my screen, which is 23 multiplied by 12. You need to expand the number 20 plus 3 and the another number 12, which is 10 plus 2. So 2 multiplied by 10 will be 200 will come in the first block. Then 10 multiplied by 3 will come in the another block. And again 2 multiplied by 20 is 40 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now whatever the numbers you have filled into 4 different boxes, you need to add them, your answer will come. Any doubt to any online student?
No, ma'am.
I think online students, all the 9 to 10 students are sleeping. They give the answer very late. Take out your notebooks now. Take out your notebooks, everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am, my notebook is with you.
You do in your revision notebook, Nishika. Write down this sum and write the topic do by split method. And it is called column method of multiplication also. Do this sum in your notebooks. Write new chapter name, date, 230. Yes. Please do it fast. Yes, your date, chapter number, chapter name, write topic multiplication, column method or the split method of multiplication. Neat work. I want neat work from everyone.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Yes, you can see something on my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Do this. Topic is also given on the screen. Column method. Multiplication column method.
Okay, ma'am.
This is also called split method, where you need to split the numbers and do it fast. हाँ. And neatly draw the box with the pencil and scale. I don't want like a rough work. Proper use of pencil and scale. And draw a line after every sum. Do one sum which is there on the screen and do one more sum according to you. And show it to me. Offline students as well as online students. One sum, your own sum, and one is there on the screen, that also. Online students, are you all doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, when I change the screen, just let me know. Are you able to see this? Yes? Priya, are you still able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We can't. No, ma'am.
Now we can see the me.
Okay. Now see.
Ma'am, still we can't see. Ma'am, do we have to write the question?
Whatever, yes, read out. Yes, whatever is there on the screen, write everything.
Ma'am, we
No, my
can't
dear, I've
see.
already changed the screen.
Not there. Ma'am, we can't.
Yeah, ma'am, now it's there.
Now. And ma'am, do we have to? Yeah.
One more sum of your own. There is a date. Date you write here in this column. Write date. And one more sum. And draw a line after every sum. On one page, two sums only, not more than two sums. And take one more sum by your own and do it and show it to me. Samriddhi, you do your work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I had a doubt when I take my own sum. How do you split it in boxes?
Expanded form, you don't know, Nishika, how to expand the
I
numbers.
know.
Do it in
Yeah.
that way. Suppose if you have a three-digit number, 356. So how you will write 356? 300 plus 50 plus 6.
Yeah.
This way. One more sum, then only I will check the notebook. Bring your notebook with two sums. Yes.
And ma'am, how did you put 40 and the 6 downside?
This 2 multiplied by the 20 will be the 40 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6.
Okay.
This one and I did the C digit because I knew how to do the C digit because the third is third and
I'm like
Why
this.
not use the pen?
Ma'am, see like
Not in
this.
a proper way. This is just no scale is used to draw lines. Nothing, no. I will not check this way.
Renu
2
ma'am.
multiplied by 20, 2 multiplied by 3. First 10 multiplied by 20 is 200, 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, 2 multiplied by 20 is 40, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Yes, someone was calling me. Please call.
Renu ma'am.
Call
Like
me.
this.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Ma'am, like this.
Wait a minute. Let me pin you. Beta. Uh, 10 into 2 is 200. Yes, like this. Do one more sum, Priya. The child who has completed 2 sums can show me their notebook. Please come to me.
Ma'am, I don't have idea how to do this sum.
Yes, uh, you know how to expand the numbers. If it is
Yes, ma'am, I know.
23, हाँ तो आप 23 को कैसे expand करोगे? Yes, 20 and 3 and 12 will be expanded as 10 and 2. So these two are multiplying. Write the number here. These two multiply. Write the number here. Then 2 multiplied by 20, 40. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6.
Then how to multiply?
This will be, I will write 5 here, but 44, so I will even have to write 1 4 1 then 0. How will I
40. Only 40.
only one number?
हाँ क्योंकि नेक्स्ट नंबर ही नहीं है और 5 एक सिंगल है तो 40 into 5 ही होगा 5
0 5.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
I want a child should one more sum to split that number.
Ma'am,
Wait.
Renu ma'am. What?
Yes, Nishika, now tell me. Nishika, sometimes because of network issue, this happens. Okay, now tell me what is the problem? Here now you need to multiply 3 with the 20. The blank, the box which is blank, 3 multiplied by 20.
Ma'am,
So, ma'am, here.
ma'am, I know how to do it. Ma'am,
So wait a minute,
220
Jan, wait. Many are standing here. I need to check their work and then I'll come back to you. By the time you come do this.
So, ma'am, here now how I have to do here? Means I had to multiply.
Ma'am, I saw it from the notebook. Ma'am, from the notebook.
Okay. calculate, I have done this. So, how will I, if I will do a sum by myself, how will I know that what number will come here?
Take any number like this number. Take. Children, there is one more sum on the screen. Split this number and start doing the multiplication. So 53 will be expanded how? 53. The way you read, the way same. Second sum. Now third sum now. 50 and 22. So 20 and 2. Now multiply this right here, multiply this with this right here, multiply this with this right here, this with this right here.
If it's a single digit number like 3, so it will be 3 also.
I'm going to show this on the screen. Wait a minute, it's a traditional method. I want to show you with the split method. Do this sum with the split method and tell me the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, the answer. Ma'am, the
बच्चे
answer.
आपकी आवाज
And the answer to sum before that one was.
Okay, Nishika has done 20 into 10. Now it is Nishika 20 multiplied by 10 can be 2000.
No, ma'am.
तो बेटा उसको सही करो ना.
Ma'am, I had ma'am done.
अब इसका एडिशन करके आंसर तो लिखो. हाँ लिखा है, लिखा है. 600, 700, 800. It is more than 800. That's the total.
Renu ma'am.
Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, it's 864, right?
Rudra, you have taken 53 and 22. So 55 to the 10 and 2 zeros. So 2 into 3 60, 100 and 3 into 2 is 6. Now please add them and find the answer. Khali boxes fill karna is not your answer.
Ma'am, but how can we?
The boxes which you have filled, जो आपने भरे हैं boxes, add them, and that will be your final answer. Yes, wait, Priya, I am going to pin you. Priya, stand in a line. Priya has taken. Priya, please write it in the chat box. Those who have done that, please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, can I show you, please?
Yes, Nishika.
200 multiplied by 10 is 2000.
200 multiplied by 10 is 2000, but 20 multiplied by 10 is not 2000.
Ma'am, see.
No, yes, it is not visible properly. It's coming blurred. What you have taken here?
Ma'am, is it visible now?
Wait a minute. No, can you please write it in the chat box, Yash?
Ma'am, the answer.
10, this is 10, 20.
Ma'am, the answer is 116.
This is 6.
Ma'am, see, I wrote in the chat box.
Okay, I'll see. Wait a minute. Please go back to your places. I'll call you, my dear students. Please go. I will call you. Do the another sum also.
Ma'am, see in the chat box.
Yes, wait a minute. I'll see. Five B.
Ma'am, is it right?
Let me read from the chat box. Jan Jalal, you are done.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have added. Just check. Maybe I am also wrong. Just check the total.
I written first year 60. So my answer is
According to 60. Just check. Dhyan, you are done.
Ma'am, I told you.
Your voice is not coming.
Hello. Now can you hear me? Hello.
Dhyan, please speak something.
Ma'am, I'm speaking only. You can't hear me now. Hello. Hello. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Speak now.
Hello.
Yes, now speak, please.
I'm speaking.
Now you have done.
Yes.
Show me your notebook.
See, is it right?
Just add them and see whether the answer is correct or not.
Ma'am, I added them.
This is 276 only. How it is 476? And this total also please check. This is 27. Okay, Dhyan, please show me your notebook, my dear, if you are ready. Let me pin you. Show me properly. Nothing visible. Yeah. Okay. So, 5B. May I have a silence in the class?
Ma'am, can you see?
Wait a minute, Nishika. Let me pin you.
Rudra.
Nishika, if you are taking 28, so 20
Yeah.
multiplied by 10 you are doing, then why you are writing 200 multiplied by 10? It should be 20 multiplied by 10, which is my, just a minute, give me Nishika. Nishika, if you are writing 20 multiplied by 10, then why you are writing 200 multiplied by 10? From where the 200 has come? In the next block also you have done 800 multiplied by 10 or 80 multiplied by 10. It should be 8 multiplied by 10. Got it?
Ma'am, can you see my?
Let me pin you first. 20 multiplied by 1000 and then 2 360 and it's 5 2 10 100 3 just 6. Okay, yes, correct, Rudra Jajaria. Ridan not doing anything. Aryaman always sits with the camera on. Priya, 59 and 92. 5 nines are 45 and 2 zeros, 9 9 are 81. It is not, Priya, you have written 180. It should be 810. 9 nines are 81, not 18.
Ma'am, can I show you mine?
9 nines are.
90 into 9. So it's 180. And
How beta 9 nines are? You need to multiply, na? Show me.
okay,
Yes.
I got it, ma'am.
You have taken 10. Huh?
3 multiplied by 11.
So 20 will be the single here only. उसके साथ कुछ नहीं है next. And 10 plus 1. So 10 into 20 is 2 ones are 2 and 2 zeros. 1 into 10 is 10.
Ten was the 10 now. So answer is, it is wrong now. 12 to 23. And just switch off your mind.
Just check. ये नहीं आएगा. This part will not come because 20 you cannot expand. It's a single digit number only. 20 to 20 ही रहेगा. That will be expanded 11, 10 and 1. Okay, now I'm going to teach you the traditional method of the multiplication. Please check your book, textbook now. I will come on the round. Mani Ratna daughter Bela has learned another method of multiplication. She wrote like this and showed it to Banu. She had learned the long method of
Excuse me, ma'am. Renu, ma'am.
Yes, Nishika.
I had a doubt.
Please ask.
The right side column, downside. So what will do over there? How to find the number?
After multiplying and filling the blocks, you need to add the numbers which you have done in the block.
Your what will be the answer?
Let me pin you first.
What?
Okay, 10 into 10 is 100 and 10 into 9 is 90. 2 into 10 is 20, write 20 here. And 2 into 9 is 18. Okay.
Yeah.
And when you fill all the 4 boxes, add them. That will be your final answer.
Which column is empty over there? It will be 20.
How? What?
In this column it will be 20.
What will come in this column?
20.
You have 10 and 12. It's 10 or 19?
19.
Ah, 19 and 12. So 9 will multiply by the 2 with the 2.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going with the long method of multiplication. See the sum on the screen. 98 multiplied by 45. 5 8s are, what will be 5 8s are? 4 will go up. Please write
Ma'am,
down
we
the
can't
sum in
see
your
your
notebooks.
screen.
Now I'm visible to you all. Priya, am I
Ma'am,
visible
we
and
can't see
audible?
the presentation.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
visible. But ma'am, you
You
are.
are visible and audible.
Visible and audible?
But ma'am, which sum are you telling?
Nothing. Okay, wait a minute. I'll present the screen.
Ma'am, you are not visible.
I'm telling about this sum. 98 multiplied by 45. First you multiply 5 with the 8, 40, and then 5 with the 9. 45 plus 4 will be, what will
49.
be? Now it is 45. So first you have multiplied with the 5. Now you will multiply with the 4. And it is not only 4, it is 4 tens. So when you are multiplying any number with the 40, you
Ma'am,
write the
it will
zero.
be 40.
Yeah, so you are
40.
writing 0 here and then you are multiplying 4 with the 8 and 4 with the 9. This method you have learned. 4 8s are
32.
32. 3 will be up and 4 will come down. 4 9s are
36.
36 plus 39.
39.
Now when you add them, 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 2 is 11. And this way when you add and get the, just a minute, final answer. 4410. So this is the Bela's method which she has learned. The another method which you also know, the long method of the multiplication. So there are some sums given on page number 171. A to F. These sums is your home task today. I will put in the classroom today as your homework. These sums you will do and show it to me on one page. Only 2 sums, not more than 2. If one sum is coming, oh, it's okay, but not maximum, not more than 2. Normal method, this method, Bela's method. This is Bela's method. So you have to do with the Bela's method these sums. Clear, everyone? Any doubt to online students?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
So, ma'am, can we leave the
Bye,
class?
ma'am.
Yes,
Bye, ma'am.
bye-bye.